everyone. It's great that everyone's gathered here this afternoon. So I'm the Director of Youth Program for the National Youth Organization of Pakistan, and hopefully we have a really good, energetic start with all of you here. I basically wanted to just say that we're going to have a lot of youth development and empowerment and professional skill development for the community youth here. So we hope everyone can join us. You do not have to really be from Pakistan to come and participate in our programs. So we want to just welcome all the communities here and invite everyone. Thank you so much.
Now I request Nusrat Sohail, because she's also one of the founding member with us, and she was the person that जो कि मैंने इनको इनसे राब्ता किया, फिर इनसे बात की. Then she came over to Brooklyn and we went to different efforts, so she will explain the efforts and other things.
Thank you, Shahid Khan, for organizing such a wonderful evening and bringing community together, and also for the community member to come and give us a chance to explain about what we have been doing. Shahid Khan brought this program of teaching Urdu to Brooklyn community 3 years ago. And let me tell you, his perseverance was one of the main things that had surprised me, because it wasn't easy. When we planned that we want to start an Urdu language and culture program for the students here, we had no idea where we would go and how we should go about it, besides getting training and support from NYU. But no matter what, we had to go in the community to begin the program. So we, as he was explaining, we went together to multiple schools. We explained our intentions to the principals and to different community organizations. It was a long and hard path, and apparently it was Shahid's effort that we were able to accomplish it 3 years ago. Finally, we had received a grant. NYU was a big support for us in that. And then we started a language program that continued to get funding every year since then until this year, and we are again planning to have a big venture this year. And actually, my own expertise is nothing big, except that I do a similar program in New Jersey, and I'm part of the NYU team. And because of all that support that I received from Tahira, from Gabriela, and from some of my colleagues sitting here, that we are able to expand this movement that we have started just a few years ago. So, thank you.